Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be playing the new science update. And honestly, I just looked at all of it. It's amazing. It's like some sort of lava monkey. You have all these cosmetics. Like this one and this one. I haven't tried that one out because it unequipped it. And a bonus, you can get the paper airplane for free. And I mean that. Yeah, blue screen VR. But just hold on 1 second as I put my cosmetics back on. I don't want the acid to get everywhere. Mr. Monkey, you're coming with me. Okay. So, I'm Lava Monkey. Yes. Comment if you want me to stop being Lava Monkeys in my video. I think it's obvious. It's honestly more convenient. So you have paper airplane. Pretty cool. You have this. I don't know what this does actually. Okay, it's basically a thunderstaff. There's a free add-on badge. It's pretty cool. A stopwatch. So the time there says 0000000, right? So if I click the thing, it starts going up. It's at 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and it goes up until presumably 99 minutes, 99 seconds, and 99 milliseconds. But if I hold this down, well, if I have the watch going and I just press it again, it stops so that you can look at the time. But if you hold it down and then let go, it resets it. This, I don't know what this does other than make an annoying noise when you hit stuff with it. Yeah, you hear that? Huh? That hurts, doesn't it? It's a Grookey. I wish it made a noise when you hit yourself in the head with it. Also you have this. Yes. Yes, there's an ant. You can't do anything to the ant, I'm pretty sure. It's just there. And also see-through for some reason. I don't suppose there's anything else. And there's magnet. Oh. Didn't know it did that. There's glasses. I don't know why I can't see them. There's a coil head that connects to other players. Foil. And then a monkey shirt. Monkey elements. Wait, what elements are those? I'm not gonna look. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I might just stop being Lava Monkey. And you have all this lab stuff. To me, all of this is amazing. It's just beautiful to see this map that's usually kind of bare turn into this. And watch. The maze thing, I don't know why that's there. Because from what I've seen, you can't die. And if you touch the yellow, if you touch the green stuff, you become an acid monkey. But if you touch the water, you get washed off. Wait, I'm not. Oh, I glitched the game. That's amazing. Wow. Wow. What is this? I don't know what that is. It's just like a bucket. You probably wash yourself on it or something. Three, 4, 5. And then it starts erupting. Pulls a lot of the water in. But then it starts to do that. And you know, that's pretty. Oh God. Oh God. You know, I was gonna say what I like to do. Apparently, is what? Okay, it randomly reset right now for some reason. I don't know if Acid Monkey gives you boost, but what I like to do is when the acid out in the big dome reaches you. Oh yeah, Acid Monkey does give you a boost. Yeah, Acid Monkey gives you a boost, but when the acid gets up to this level, this starts raising. What I like to do is get on the rope in one hand, climb all the way up, and stay alive. I mean, personally, I can't get up there or really anywhere there because stuff. It's so bare right here because there's all the posters are either gone or changed. Alright, now I will show you how to get free paper airplane. So, the paper airplane glitch, if you leave, it disappears. If you leave and rejoin, it disappears. And no one else can see it. But, so it's just only something you can see, and you have to do it every time you go into city. Or, unless you're in a private server like I am, you can throw it and you run out. And if you run out, it should be right here, even if you have something that you can grab. And then, because I'm in a private server, man, I love that there's no lights anymore. I mean, it's bare, but it's... Come back! Come back! And then, the winter update. Now, this is the first time I've actually seen the winter update myself. I've never actually seen the winter update. I joined right after the music update, and I didn't know that until like yesterday. I didn't know that the music update was like the update before I joined the game. Whoa. It's so dark and like there's nothing. And I'm pretty sure Slide was different in... But yeah, there's the ice.
What colors do you like?
Huh?
What's your favorite color?
Green.
Well, I know that, but light green or dark green? Hey!
Lime.
Watch that thing.
Lime green.
Lime green.
Sorry, that was my sister. Woo. Oh, I didn't check everything. No, sorry. I gotta. There's snow. There's ice. The castle is here, and I don't know if there's anything in the beach. I wonder if the water is frozen or something. Actually, it probably would have been. No, water's still the same. That would have been funny if the water was frozen. Cause I hate the water here. And sorry, but since there's no more Christmas lights, that means no more of that Gorilla Tag challenge. That Gorilla Tag challenge was me not being able to touch the colors of the lights. And okay, there's still some snow here, and nothing else. Oh no, I fell in the water. Okay, we'll just make this jump. I keep forgetting there's crystals here. I like these crystals a lot. I was never around for the old caves. I think I came. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure caves was removed also close to when I was the first time I joined the game, but I was never here to see the original caves. The icicles are made of ice, I guess. I don't know, man.
Oh, there's a landmine in there.
I haven't checked any of the other maps yet, actually. But I'm pretty sure they're different. Canyons. This tunnel looks weird. Nothing. Okay. That snow is still there. And little ice fortress is here because why not? Why not little ice fortress? I'm actually gonna go over there to show you guys it. I've never actually seen that before, so I'm just gonna. Man, once again, I have the caves theme stuck in my head. Nope. No, never again. I'm never going on that again. Mini ice fortress. Why is that nice? Nothing else. Oh well. No. I hate the ice in canyons. Getting out of canyons is a struggle for me, I'll say. See? That's why canyons is my second least favorite map. I mean, I'll play in it if Monkey Fin's playing in it, but otherwise, I will not. Or if there's an update in it. Wait, what? Where am I? I didn't even know where I was for a second. Monkey. Okay, I have checked all the maps. Mountains doesn't have anything new except not even a castle. By the way, no, let's check caves. And also, clouds is even more bare than it used to be. There's even less stuff in it now. And only thing changed with caves is icicles that are, I don't think you'd believe me when I say this, but they're ice. The icicles are ice. I'm just... Why does this look more hollow than before? Okay. Goodbye, guys. I will show you mountains if I didn't already, because I don't remember, but clouds too. So, this is clouds. Looks even worse than it did before. Man. And then also the X-ray cosmetic doesn't do anything. Obviously, it's just a cosmetic. Doesn't show you an actual X-ray. I mean, it shows you what the monkey bones look like, but you know, I wish if you put your hand inside yourself, it would show your hand. But in mountains, there are no more elf monkeys, which honestly makes me sad. But there's that. There's just that. I don't exactly know what that is, because I've never been in the winter update before. Actually, I'll leave that there. Okay, there's a little snow bridge, and then just casual. Everything else other than what I showed you is pretty much how it was. And goodbye. Peace out. Also, before I go, gun, brain, suit. Comes with 20,000, 10,000 shiny rocks, and costs $30. Never spend money on this game. Bye everyone, have a good day.